the six of us, no? Six of us, we took the whole family. And this is the company that, these are the companies that we represent, no? Yan. I'm sure you know them, no? And ang saya nito, kasi tingnan mo ha, gusto mong bumili ng bahay lupa or condo. We have a partner bank na pwede ka mag-loan. Mag-loan ka, yung interest charges doon, may commission ka. Kasi representative ka ng Union Bank eh. So from your loan, your own loan, meron pa ang commission. Then you buy a house, na ikaw rin ang agent or broker. Kanino pupunta yung commission? Sa'yo rin. Di ba? So, one-stop shop. That's what I'm being talking about. One-stop shop. You want to insure this property, punta ka sa general insurance. Sino agent mo dyan? E di, ikaw rin. Di ba? Tuturo mo sarili mo. Kuha mo na yung insurance yung bahay mo. O, sige, okay. Di ba? Sino mag-commission? Ikaw din. No? And then, since meron kang commission, where do you put it? In the investment. Kasi marunong ka maghawak kayo, hindi yung may pera ka, gagastusin ko to. Diba? You know how to save and invest. You put it in the investment company. Who is your agent? Ikaw rin. May commission ka ulit doon. Hindi nauubos yung pera mo. Gets nyo? Diba? You just circulate your money. Isn't that good? Minsan, gusto kong ituktok sa utak mo madami. Hindi nila naintindihan. Ay, networking. Ganun pa din ang conclusion. Is it networking? No. No way. Diba? It's legal because instead of the companies to hire agents and put up office, the IMG is the one doing it for them. And therefore, we can compete. Diba? And take note, these are competing companies. And therefore, we can offer also the best to our friends and family. You offer the best, hindi yung pilit ka na kasi agent ka ng Ayala, kahit hindi masyadong maganda yung location, ibibenta mo yung Ayala. Gets nyo? This one, we are empowered to tell what is the best. And in fact, pag sinabi natin, gusto ko nang bumili ng condo, where do you want it? Eh meron tayong pareho yung tatlo na yan. Choose the best answer for the client. Hindi yung let him buy for the commission. Very different kind of business. Diba? And then, kung i-insure mo nga yan, hanap ka ng best answer. Ano yung what gives you the best protection for the same amount of money, even for your property and for yourself. So, ganun siya. One-stop shop. And when we execute our 6 steps, there is no way to escape in going to all of this. Agree? Kailangan puntahan mo talaga yan. Pag mag-invest ka, punta ka sa investment company. Insure mo sarili mo, punta ka sa insurance company. Kung mo ng healthcare, punta ka sa healthcare company. So that you can be fully covered. Diba? Now, you can have a choice. You can buy this as a client or as a broker. Nung pinakita sa amin yan, no-brainer. We would like to be a broker for ourselves. Case in point, 30,000 per year for our car and our bahay sa Cavite. Dati, hindi kami member ng IMG, hindi kami broker. Nothing goes back to us. As an associate, 12% goes back to us. What is 12% of 30,000? 3.6. Laki nun, diba? So, investable fund. Now that we're marketing directors, 20% ng commission namin from our own use. 20% of 30,000, 6K. So, that's the kind of business partners we have. Munti ka ng wala na lang dyan yung St. Peter, no? Malapit na siguro. And this company that we are partnered with are continuously evolving. It is adding up companies, no? And the products and services are continuously growing. So, why IMG business? Just quickly, after 25 years of working in the corporate world, I was looking for a business and I found it here in IMG. It's also fulfilling because it's a mission with commission. So how about you? Are you still searching? This is the company. What are your options? Be a client. No? Walang pilitan naman dito eh. If you decide to be a client, we'll be happy to serve you. You want to be your own broker-dealer? You can start your business today, now. Don't procrastinate. Do not wait for retirement or going near your retirement age. The best time to start is now, not later. No? And use your spare time. Now, as a client, we'll do a financial checkup, define your financial strategy. As a broker-dealer, this is the step. Join, own, and share. Join, there's a joining fee, very minimal. You can put up a business with just 200 Sing dollars. Imagine that. A business that is worth 200 Sing dollars. How much is that in pesos? 6,000? 7,000, no? Wow! Parang libre lang yung business, no? 6,000 to 7,000 pesos. Then you own, and I promote yung 4-in-1 so that you can execute all 4 in one. But that's one option. The other option is getting from different companies. And then you share so that you can learn and earn. Kasi when you share it, we give it the same presentation, and then you can be your own trainer in the process, and we'll coach you to become successful in this business as well as in your investing. So, dalawang avenue that you can create your passive income in your investments and in the business. So, when you successful in the business, you know where to flow in your money to the investments. No? And then until finally, you become your own financial advisor, just like us. So we can help more people because we need to share this to more people. Diba? The more people who will learn this, the more, dalawa ang compensation natin. I am sure of this. We'll have compensation up there and here. Amen? So, isn't this exciting to pursue? Aren't you excited? Tayo. Exciting, di ba? It's so exciting. Actually, we're so excited every day. Kahit alas 12, pasado kami natutulog, we still wake up very early. Hindi yung masakit ang ulo. Para ayoko nung pumasok. Pinubuhat mo yung paa mo, no? Sa opisina, ano na ang situation. Okay? Now, bakit kami ganito din kaporsigido? Only 2% of the senior citizens in the Philippines has achieved financial security. Most of them still rely on their children, 45%, charity, 30%, still working, 23%. So kami ni Feli, my ex, is sure na nandun kami sa 2%. And we want you also to be in the 2%. That's why we're here. But it's a matter of putting to action the knowledge. No? Konti pa nga lang yung knowledge na we have given in the last 1 hour. It's just executing the knowledge that we have given you. So you can be part of the 2%. You want to be part of the 2%? Yes. Okay, sabi nga dyan sa katabi, be part of the 2%. Be part of the 2%. Parang ayaw mo eh. So, just a story about ourselves, no? What has IMG done to us? Dati din, ganyan kami, no? Tapos, wala kaming passive income. Tapos, ang marami namin, utang. We don't know how to distinguish liabilities from assets. Now, we're perfectly knowledgeable, no? And now, we're entrepreneurs. Dati, ang tawag ko, certified spender. Oo, 250,000 ba naman pakaskas sa isang gabi? Sino ba naman? Di ba? But now, I'm proud to say that she is an entrepreneur. Di ba sa quadrant of Robert Kiyosaki? Di ba? Employee, self-employed, investor, and entrepreneur. You're not just investor, you're an entrepreneur if you're in this business. And you can control your destiny in this business. No? We want you also to be financially free. Kung gusto nyo. Gusto nyo ba? Gusto. Okay. Alright, so, it's about doing what you learn. So, I'd like to know your feedback. Just like any seminars, we're going to give you a small sheet of paper. I'd like you to put in information. Wala pong bayad. Just your name, address, here in Singapore, your cell phone number, your email, so that we can send this to you. I know in the registration, sinulat na nung iba yung email, but please put your email here. Na medyo malinaw kasi we'll be sending you materials that we have discussed. So maganda ba yan? You'd like that? So we'll be sending you that. And I'd like you to make sure that you check which one do you want to do. Start a business career, learn more, or both of the above. This portion here, don't fill it up, just the invited by. And then maybe you put the trainer bench.